Ya philanthropist ndị Igbo fee philanthropist ndị Igbo fee ọgụnwa ka nkwuga ọ dịkwa ka ebe niile ọ jụọla oyi for some months now irilitewekwela again ọ dịkwa ka ndị mmadụ ọgbachiri gị nkịtị for some months now you have started again ị na-echefu na ihe ọbụla imere n'ịntanetị a ga-eme ya analyze, so therefore you have to be careful when you are trading with the Igbos that made you. Sure you understand me? Ima, Igbos have spoiled you with money. So when you na people's donation, when you na people that work so hard to donate, may potassium that na this girl has kidney failure and only the 25 million, and people will start donating so that you help. Especially in the abroad, will start donating so that you will help people back home. Ndị Igbo ewerele ego mebie gị, onwezikwa ihe na ahụ ego ka. Igbos have spoiled you with money. Onwe ihe na donation ha. Be a philanthropist in the Igbo. So a particular blogger made a video and dragged you about the girl that you said she died after like 3 days. A donated 20-something million. So the girl died. May her soul rest in peace. Now that blogger made a video dragging you, throwing shade at you. Otugin and the family shina agbare maka ego ndị Igbo toro the girl. You came out unu gewekwe no month. He came out like 4 days ago. You came out 4 days ago and made a video replying to that blogger of how you spent that money. Of how you spent that 20-something million naira that Igbos donated to you. Enyi ihe obula imere na internet ama pụta mee analyze. Echekwala na agbachiri m gị nkịtị. You understand me? And don't think I'm chasing clouds around your name because I want you to notice me. No. Oh, gị nwa kwesịrị notice mo. Sure you understand me? Achọ m na go to. Achọkwana m ka era am auto. You are not my kind of man. You are not my spec. You understand? You are too lanky for me. So, anakwala eche na achọrọ m ịhụ de gị face to face. Achọrọ m ịhụ gị. Again, philanthropist in the Igbo. Let's begin to ask you the rightful questions that requires the truthful answer, because from the video you made, there was no truth in that video. You cannot manipulate me. You cannot emotionally blackmail me. Unless for the people that are thinking that tomorrow that they will fall sick and need your help. On the sali, people like me, you cannot wash me. You cannot brainwash me with your sweet mouth. The effort I put in helping Igbo people. If I put it to myself, I will be the richest young youth in my state. Who asked you that? What are you doing for the Igbos? Anageja no progente. Emetugi Ibewe. Ibewe kwele this time around. Ibewe kwele, I will ask you the question. If you like, cry out blood. I will ask you this question I'm going to ask you. I'm asking you, that the Igbos come together because they trust you, because they believe in you and donate so that you can help people. You can reach out to people and help people. Or we how we name the Igbo? Can the Igbo kusile dashigego? You had the audacity to come out to tell us that, oh, you don't have a job, but you have money. You want to honor that you don't have a job, but you have money. You have money. That is God that is providing for you. It's God that is providing for you. I don't have a job, but they provide them. I want to get that God that provides for a jobless man like you, according to what you said in your video. I want to get to know that God that provides for a man like you who does not have a job. Be a philanthropist in the Igbo. So you know that some people who has kidney failures has 30% chance to live. And you go ahead to tell people to donate money for them. You go ahead to allow Igbos donate money to save somebody who has 30% chance to live. How did you get to know that some of the people that has kidney failure, some of the patients that has kidney failure has 30% chance to live. How did you get to know it? And you knew it and you kept quiet. Ozi maka this girl anwụọla now. Ki ihe niile ajizi na-apụta. A philanthropist in the Igbo. Or we did deceitful. Now, I don't want to know the parts. Gin and the family ahu ujine we problem. Ijikwa na arụ mmadụ girl olo jikwa diri deaf and dumb. Nwanne the girl ujine rokwa Abuja onwe ihe na arụ, onwe ihe the guy na arụ that you have been the one helping. Now, my question to you is this. You claimed that girl's withdrawal limit is 500,000 naira. The money that Igbos donated to that girl went straight to her account, and you people realize around 20-something million naira, right? Good. Philanthropist in the Igbo, how did you get the rest money that you spent around students? Because according to what you said in that your video you made 4 days ago, or 5 days ago, you said that the remaining money, that you now brought it and ask your fans, what are you people going to do with the money? They say you should use it and help students. Now, philanthropist in the Igbo, how did you manage to go at our back to collect that money from that girl's account? How did you get the money? You did not explain that part in your video. What agreement did you reach with the family of the late girl who died of kidney failure or kidney disease before they were able to release the money that you spent around students? What was your agreement with them? What did you tell them? How did that money manage to come out? You did not say that part, oh. You did not explain that part because you came out to clear yourself in your video. You come out to clear yourself now because a blogger have dragged you. You that girl, you came out to defend yourself, but you are not still telling us the truth. You took your time to prepare the lies in a written book. But as even the way you are reading that your lies from that pieces of book, from that pieces of paper, you are still lying. My question is, how did you manage to get money from that family? Number 2 question. You went to students to spend money. School, 4 million naira, you have spent 4 million. You have 2 people you are training in school. Did Igbos ask you to train somebody in school from a money they donated? From a money they donated from for a girl who had kidney failure. Ndị Igbo sigi were ego that girl nwụrụ of kidney failure were zụọra ha mmadụ na school. Did they say anything like that to you? Ime na-achọ izu oshi gị na-achọ how to cover it up. I'm format again that I know and pass you. So you got the money from the family of the late girl that died. Now you use it to come and help students. Help us students. Help us students. Help us students. People knows how much you love students. From a money of a girl who just died. Oh, you gave them money to do burial. You gave them money to build a house. That you got to their house. Give her to mad girl that is deaf and dumb is living. You say, okay, let them use this money to start building a house. You have sent 5 million. You have sent 3 million. I send the raggy picture in here now. He sent Diego. That is not my problem. My problem is that you have the audacity, the temerity, the effrontery that Igbos have spoiled you with money to carry a money of a girl who died of kidney failure to give a student non a Unizik that is depressed, allegedly, according to you. You went to Unizik and gave students that are depressed money. From that girl's money, you gave them 2 million, abi 1 million naira, according to you. Now, when you shot the video, it was 100,000 naira that was written on that particular video that you posted. For you to keep that money, as you collected the money from the family of those girls, from the family of the girl that died, for you to keep that money in case any other person that is sick of kidney, for Igbos to start running around of how they are going to donate 50 million, they would now donate 30 million naira. You add it with the one you have, a treat you only also. You did not do it because in you use that entire money to waste. Look at the way you wrote it down. Ijikwa kworo onye ụgwọ school fees, ijikwa kworo onye ụgwọ tuition fee. Ego just ofu mmadụ na school ruru 10 million naira, and you are training 2 people in school. Blah blah gị na-akụ eri. Ijikwa were ego ndị Igbo tụrụ for nwatakịrị mmadụ nwụrụ nọ out of kidney failure. Na iji were di ego nye students that 10 students that are depressed. Onye ike school gwụrụ ya drop out. You should have kept that money. If you had sense, if Igbos have not spoiled you with money, you could have kept that money you got from that family for another kidney patient. You could have kept it. 20 million naira gi dose ya. Enwezi onye ozo ahu na ade. Enwezi onye ozo that is sick. Gis ndi Igbo. From the last 20 million naira of that girl that passed on, we want to carry it over to this new person that we are going to treat now. Or yeah, let's donate 15 million and add kaga treat wonya. But you wasted the money because it made sense. In a were go mmadụ tara ahụhụ tụọ for you to help somebody. Were nye nwa school no na school dị depressed. In abia akọwara anyị how you like students. Me, I single-handedly went to school and trained myself. How you love students, you give these students money. Egbu nnama ị na-egburu ụmụ school nnama Chineke ga-akpọ gị ọkụ. Ị na-egburu ụmụ school nnama from ego ị kwesịrị dosa for another person. You wasted that money with the explanation you came out to do in that your video. All I can sense there is waste of money. Waste of money. If at all you did not swallow that money, they may accuse all these things. Ijikwa nye the student ego, ijikwa go room school ihe, ijikwa make quiz. From ego ikwesiri dosa. You are the same person that came out and said, oh, you have over 300 people that are complaining of kidney failure. The little you had, you got from the family that lost their child over this kidney failure. For you to keep it for another patient, for another person, to help another person. Give where you go na school na make quiz. Give where you go na school na waste. Give where you go na school na buru school nama. Ina acho ma ake na anata na aroto. Because that's the only thing I can see. Ima kwuru okuku ishi. Ijikwa na azu mmadu na school. Onye diri gi. Onye obula ga-agbawa mbọ nke ya. If you are helping sick people, continue to help sick people. Don't help people that are well doing. You understand? People contributed that money because that girl was sick. If you want to open a platform where you will be donating money for Ndahode, open that platform. But that's your platform that was for kidney people, that was for people that are terribly sick. Please maintain it. Maintain it like that. I want to chego. That now we are going to use the money to be helping people that are more healthy than people that are sick. We are going to be using the money now to be helping. Let them go and look for something doing. Why people donated that money is because of the girl was sick. And since you lost the girl, use the money for another person. Oh, in the family, I'm going to 20 million. You know the remaining 30 million. Okay, we require treat you on your also. Give those that you treat you on your also. On your also, 50% to 70% chance to live. And we require treat you on your. If not kidney, on when them when elephantitis, on when them when obesity, on when those on all your also jureju. And we require treat in that. But because if you want to help students from the money in your pocket. Fund the lifestyle you want around students from the money in your pocket. Or what the Igbos to chego get ni jego hatro for onye kidney one because the girl muziri. Iji aga na school ga na eme quiz. Iji aga na school na please ụmụaka ị ga-arụ ọtụ. Ịnụkwa no ma akụkọ. Nkwuo na echi ọnụ ga aka. You see the way I don't reason the way you people reason. You see the way I'm quite different from you people. I don't know what it, I don't waste money because I come from a poor family. I know what it is to raise 50,000. Abala mumbo, zuwa na school na poli. Iputagi were ego mmadu tachara ahụhụ tụọ. Them they blame who the Igbos that spoilt you that far. These are the people I blame. Have sense, have sense. School, school school. Some of them jaka have auto na school. Allow them train themselves. They are okay. Ahu the ha school. Need 5,000 to buy their own medication. Ipotagine meremi Ibagi bo carton of Indomie gade new school. Whereby only need 7,000 to buy their medication, to buy their common inhaler. Uno sponsor where you come. Always the one ego. HIA pota sweet talk you know, blackmail you know, manipulate you know, because you people are gullible. You feel like you are going to fall sick tomorrow and you will need his help. Shalom.
Thank you for watching. Please do watch, subscribe on this channel and stay connected on this channel. Thank you for watching. God bless you. Subscribe.